Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
Collagen and elastin are the two proteins that keep your skin smooth, tight, and wrinkle-free. But factors like aging, sun damage, and exposure to pollution can cause collagen and elastin to break down over the time. When that happens, the skin around your face, neck, and chest may become wrinkled, saggy, and loose. Also, due to pregnancy and rapid weight loss, your skin may become loose. In this video, we are going to look at natural remedies for skin tightening, skin firming, and to treat wrinkles and saggy skin. Egg white skin firming face mask. For this, you need egg white. Egg white is rich in protein, albumin, that can improve skin elasticity. Rice flour. Rice flour enhances skin tightening naturally. Pure honey. Honey locks in moisture. Hold the egg such that the larger side is at the bottom. Break the egg into two halves. Now carefully separate egg white from yolk. Collect the egg white into the bowl. To the egg white, add half spoon of honey. Now add 2 spoons of rice flour as shown. Now slowly mix the contents. Rice flour will not easily mix into the egg white. It takes a lot of time. Sometimes you get rice flour solids. Press these solids to mix well. Keep mixing until you get a very smooth paste. This is the final smooth paste. Apply this paste all over the face or neck. Leave it for 30 minutes and wash it away with a mild soap. Number 3. Banana Skin Tightening Mask. Take one ripe banana, cut it into small pieces. Take these pieces into a bowl. Mash it into a very smooth paste. This is the banana mash. Now we need lime or lemon juice. Add 1 spoon of lime juice to this banana mash. Mix it well. That's all, our banana mask is ready. Banana is rich in zinc, potassium, and vitamins. It helps in skin tightening naturally. Apply this on the skin and wash it away after 15 minutes with mild soap. Multani Mitti mask or bentonite clay mask. For this, you need Multani Mitti, or you can also use bentonite clay. Clay absorbs impurities, tightens pores, and makes the skin smooth and firm. It also increases collagen synthesis. In a bowl, add 2 spoons of Multani Mitti powder. Add 1 spoon of milk. To this, add 1 spoon of pure honey. Mix the contents. Add more milk to get a smooth paste. This is the final smooth clay paste. Apply this paste all over the face and neck. Leave it on for 30 minutes and wash it away with fresh water and soap. Number 5. Coffee Scrub Pack for Skin Tightening. For this, you need coffee powder, instant coffee powder or ground coffee powder, anything is fine. Extra virgin olive oil, cinnamon powder, and dark brown sugar. You can also use regular white sugar. In a bowl, take 1 spoon of coffee powder. To this, add 1 spoon of brown sugar. Now add a little cinnamon powder. Add 2 spoons of olive oil. Give it a mix. Coffee powder is not easily dissolved in olive oil, so it takes some time to mix up the contents. This is the final coffee powder scrub. Apply this scrub all over the face and rub gently. Leave it on for 5 minutes and wash it away with soap. The caffeine present in coffee draws out excess moisture from the skin and eliminates fat deposits, which makes the skin firm and soft. Follow these remedies for skin tightening and skin firming. Thank you.